Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ayushtipsntrick. In today's Excel journey, I will take you to a very useful Excel trick which I'm sure most of us are not aware about it or are not using it in our workplace. But I can assure you that if you watch my video till the end, you will start using this view from the very next day at your workplace. Ayush request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they also get benefit of this trick. So let us start with the custom view in Excel. Guys, I'm sure you must be knowing about this normal view and the page break view, page layout view. But have you ever moved forward and used this custom view? No. Why? Didn't give a try at all. No problem. Today we will learn about this custom view only. Guys, have you observed many times in our work front, we have to generate many reports. One for our client, one for our boss's view, for his review, for management review, and it's become very tedious to hide and hide the columns which management or the boss don't want to have a look, like what formulas you have utilized in this Excel sheet. They just want the jinx of the subject or the topic. They don't want to get into details. They just want to have the outline of the topic. So what we all do, we create a copy of our main sheet, hide or delete the columns, set the format of the page, and give it to our bosses or the client or the management for their review, for their approval. But from today onwards, we don't have to do all this stuff because we will make use of the custom views for all these things. So first, say this is my window or this is my Excel sheet which has got the data. For reference purpose, I have used only this much data, but it can be up to hundreds of lines. Okay, so suppose this is my normal view which is at the 100% scale. So what I'll do, this is my view only. This is how I am looking at my sheet. So what I'll do, I'll just go to custom view, click on add, and give it a title, say my view, which I want to see, which has got all the necessary formulas, totals, subtotals, etc. Okay, now my boss want to have a look at around, say, this much data only. My boss want to have a look at the first 10 columns only. So what I'll do, I'll just zoom it to the first 10 columns for my boss. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to custom view, click add view, and say 10 quantity only, say up to 10 quantities, and save it. So right now I'm working. Okay, so now my boss come to my seat and he wants to tell me, show me the details of the first 10 quantity. So what I'll do, I need not to hide all this view. I'll just go to 10 quantity and click on show. So it will show him only the 10 quantities now. Okay, he reviews it, he gives instruction as I did, and he moves again. Again, I go back to my view and start working on this. Clear up to this point? My boss is happy, I'm happy. I need not to create any other sheet for the 10 quantities on. And he is giving instruction that I don't want to have the subtotals. Show it to the management. So as per his instruction, I have hidden it. I have hidden these columns also, and I hide this also. So this is the view what he wants to me, and I want to have the printout of this. So what I'll do again, I will go to view, custom views, and I will again add say boss requirement. XYZ any title you can give. I click OK. I go to print preview and this like this. Set up the page for him. This is what he wants and give the print command and I come out. Okay. So I have fulfilled my boss requirement. And I again start working on my view. Again what I'll do, I'll just click on my view and start working in my sheet. Okay, this is the first requirement, that I can hide the columns, I can hide the rows and give it a new view and show it to the client or somebody. And suppose my boss comes and since the number of columns are many, I'll just have the freeze pane also activated and I can show him X number of times his view and I can send him the file. So boss, this is your view, you can have it. Second is page break view, and I want to show only this much only. This much view only I want to show. What I'll do, I'll just click on this, go to the page layout, print area, set print area, have the preview of this, go to page setting, fit the page 0 by 0, click OK. So this is the view that management wants to have a look at. Again, go to review, view, custom view, click add, management, click OK and give them the printout. And go to your view is intact. Your view is not changed. Similarly, say I want to add the filters. So I go to this, filter it out. Say I want to have all the details of the eastern area. I come to this, select this part, go to this field, click on fit selection. So this is my eastern area only. Go to page to view, custom view, new east view, and this is how the page is set. Go to print, give the printout. Similarly, I want to have the northern region selected, custom view, click add, go to north. So this is how, whenever I want to have the view of the say east, click on east. This is my eastern view. I want to have my boss requirement. I click on this. This is my boss requirement. I go to this, click show. This is my management requirement. This much. I go to this and come back to my. So this is how you can play with all the views. Suppose you want to have the random views here only. You can add an icon also here. Go to this down arrow, click here, go to more commands. Here you will see popular command. Click here, go to all commands. There you will find, scroll down, There you find custom views. Click on add and OK. So my custom views have come here. I want to have the 10 quantity view, boss requirement, management view, east view, north view. I can from here only I can have it. This you can use at many occasions and as per your requirement. Okay. So my last trick is what if I want to replace any view? Okay. So say on this there was this management. Okay. Suppose I want to hide these columns also. I don't want to have a look at these columns also. Hide. I hide these also. And I zoom it. I go to custom view. I click as add and I give the same name as the management. Okay. I go to customer. There is a spelling mistake. Okay, no problem. Go to show. So this is my old management view, and this is my old management. I just I want to delete this view now. I go to this, click it, click on delete. Yes, I want to delete it, and this view has been deleted. So this is my new management requirement, and this is the view for my management now. So guys, I hope you understand how to use the custom view in Excel. Start using this view, and I'm sure you will love it when you start using it. It will help to save a lot of time copying paste or creating a new file for a number of reasons. You will avoid all these stuff. So guys, that's all from my end. I will be back again with yet another Excel trick for you guys. Thank you.